So yeah, drove it back from Auckland in pretty much this state. I got dropped off by my mate with a set of mags at random Tongan dudes in West Auckland, and my tools and the mags with me. Gave the mags to the dude, ripped the primary oil feed off, and crimped it, which I'll show you here. I'll figure out how to turn the camera around. It's kind of weird, there just doesn't seem to be an option there to do it. So yeah, ripped the primary oil feed off, and that was smoking. That got me back 2 hours from Auckland to the Coromandel where I live, and then I fucked around with the vacuum setup the next day and changed it back to as close to normal as I could get it. Number 8 seems to be snapped off, but there wasn't much I could do about that. But it's back to blowing big clouds of smoke again, which is interesting. So I ripped the blow-off valve back off just to stop the pressure blowing the oil through, but it's still having smoke. I think, bugger it, I'm not even going to bother with the twin turbo setup. The Valley of Death drives me insane, so I just single turbo it and send it with a td06 and a aftermarket ECU. So yeah, that's me. Right, intercooler removal. Sometimes this is a bit of a bitch pulling these out, or of a bitch putting them back in. Thankfully, I'm going front mount, so I'll be putting this ugly bugger back in here. Have I missed a mount? Yeah, bloody no. Because I already used this intercooler on another car. Oh, can't do this with one hand. Oh, intercooler was absolutely full of oil. And that turbo's got oil. That turbo is hard to look down. Almost seems like it's the secondary turbo. Not the primary, but I don't know. As far as I know, this thing's completely seized up because it doesn't seem to make any boost, but that could have been vacuum orientated. I wonder why Subarus are so hard to bleed. High points. Round 2 on the Legacy single turbo conversion. Got a bit done last time, so it became a bit of a pain in the ass videoing it. A mate of mine was meant to turn up in videos and stuff, but he didn't. It's all good, so I just got done what I could get done. I'm working into dark with a headlamp, but yeah. So got most of that off. I just got to jack the car up, and I got most of that off. Just got to jack the car up and start unbolting the majority of the crap that I can get at from the top of the car. Although I haven't started on the intake manifold yet. I'm just going to leave that for the moment, get the exhaust crap off, get the turbo stuff off, and cross those other bridges when they come, because I think I might get a map sensor for the gritty ECU that I've got rather than run a flow meter, so I don't really have to do all that intakey crap. I just got to pull it off and pull that out, and then just run just a silicon to a pod filter or something, or a piece of pipe to a pod filter, some silicon joiners or something like that straight from the turbo. Yeah, so see how we get on. Alright, got the heat shields out. That wasn't too bad at all. Tiny turbo. This was a lot more difficult on my WRX a few years back. I've heard a lot of people have trouble with these ones, but sweet as. Just got under there and bolts all came undone real nicely. So now I'll continue to undo bolts and get these turbos off. Downpipes off, uppipe, all the crap surrounding the motor. All of that there, through there. Alright, primary turbo out. Might be the problem. Just there. Oh yeah. So, that's fucked. I've not seen this before. What was it? VF33. Alright, the second turbo is out. Downpipe's out. Let's remove all this crap off the engine. This is a stupid twin turbo exhaust flaps thing in there, something you can't see it. What's in there for that? Oh, there we go. Yeah. Twin turbo exhaust flap. Gross. Full of oil. The rest of the engine. This gross shit came out of the downpipes. And here we have one destroyed turbo and one pretty sweet seeming turbo. No play at all actually.